Hello everyone, welcome back to the DBA series. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between restore and recover in Oracle RMAN. Okay, the difference between restore and recover in Oracle RMAN. First of all, let us see what is this restore. Restore means getting your physical database files back from backup. Okay, getting the physical database files back from the backup. Think of it like this: retrieving a damaged or deleted file. Okay, suppose, see here, we have a level 0 backup on Sunday. Okay, and Monday to Saturday we have a differential level 1 backup. As we can see, Monday to Saturday we have a differential level backup, correct? And suppose on Wednesday one of the data file was corrupted. Okay, one of the data file was corrupted. We can see that in this example we took a data file 4. Okay, data file 4 is corrupted and I need to restore this data file 4 now. So for restoring this data file 4, we have a RMAN command, that is the restore data file 4. This can be, with this command the data file 4 can be restored. Okay, with with which backup this data file 4 is restored, in the sense from the level 0 backup the data file 4 is restored. From the level 0 backup the data file 4 is restored. Okay, this is called as the restore, we call it in Oracle RMAN. Okay, but after restoring of data file 4, this is not a traditional. We need to apply the changes as well as. What is this apply the changes as well as? See here, we are taking Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Whatever the blocks changes are there in between of these, though those blocks changes we are taking backup, that is the differential level backup, correct? Those differential backups we need to apply, that is called as the recover. Okay, applying those changes, that is the incremental backups, applying that incremental backups or archived redo logs is the recover, we call as a recover. With this RMAN command recover data file 4, we will be recovering the changes whatever it is happened in between of those days. Okay, hope you understood about this one. Restore, what is the difference between restore and recover in simple like analogy time? This is the daily whatever it happens example we are taking here. Restore is like a getting lost book from a backup shelf. Okay, everything we lost. Okay, whole book we lost and we are getting it from the backup. Okay, backup shelf. But recover means we have a file, we have a book. From the book some pages are missing. Okay, rewriting those missing pages is called as the recover. That is the main difference between restore and recover. Okay, in a real time we can see that first the data file is lost, after that we are restoring it, and after restoring we are recovering that one, correct? After recovering, the database is open and ready to use. DB is able to connect to the client. Okay, this is the main difference between the restore and recover. Hope you understood about all this, what is the difference between a restore and recover in Oracle RMAN. So if you really learned about this difference between restore and recover, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.